Title: 3 AI Ways to Make Money Online in 2026, Beginner Friendly. Stopwatch 0, 30 hook, strong attention grabber. Stop scrolling. Right now, people are using artificial intelligence to make real money online in 2026. No office. No boss. No advanced degree. Just simple tools and smart strategies. In this video, I will show you 3 powerful AI methods that beginners are using to earn money online today. Stay until the end because the last method is the easiest to start with zero experience. Stopwatch 0, 140 Method 1, AI Content Creation. The first method is AI content creation. This is one of the fastest growing ways to make money online right now. You use AI tools like ChatGPT, CapCut AI, and Canva AI to create YouTube videos, TikTok or Shorts content, blog posts, social media pages. The best part is, you don't need to show your face. For example, you can write a script using ChatGPT, turn it into a video using CapCut AI, and upload it to YouTube. Once your channel grows, you can earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Many beginners are already doing this in 2026 and making their first online income. Stopwatch 140, 300 Method 2, AI freelancing. The second method is AI freelancing. This is where you sell services online using AI tools. Even if you are a beginner, you can start with logo design using Canva AI, video editing using CapCut AI, writing using ChatGPT, image creation using Leonardo AI. You can join platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and offer your services. For example, someone may pay you to create a YouTube thumbnail, and you complete it in minutes using AI. The key idea is simple. AI does the hard work, you deliver the result. This method can start small, but grow into a serious online business. Stopwatch 3004, 20 Method 3, AI affiliate marketing. The third method is AI affiliate marketing. This is one of the most powerful methods in 2026. Here is how it works. You promote AI tools or websites online. When someone signs up through your link, you earn a commission. You don't need to create a product. You don't need to handle customers. You just share content like reviews, tutorials, short videos. For example, you can make a video like Top 5 Free AI Tools in 2026 and include affiliate links in the description. If people click and sign up, you get paid. This method can scale very fast if your content goes viral. Stopwatch 4, 2500 Outro, Motivation plus CTA. These are the 3 easiest AI ways to start making money online in 2026. AI content creation, AI freelancing, AI affiliate marketing. But remember, tools alone are not enough. Consistency is what changes everything. Start small, learn step by step, keep improving. Now tell me, which method will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI and online income content.